Yes. So good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the first day of Vedic mathematics, magic of Vedic mathematics. So let me start with this. Yes. Right. Am I audible, Aparna, Ritu?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll not wait for others. Let them join when they will be there. Okay. So why do I call it as magic of Vedic mathematics? That you will be realizing today within few minutes that how fast we will be. We will not be in need of calculators anymore. If you know, we always have been taught mathematics as a fear, as a stress, as a habit. And this has been induced in our minds. And that is the reason why students always have a fear of mathematics. Right? Aparna, what do you do?
I am a teacher, sir.
Okay, your voice is breaking. You can rejoin if you want, because I think there is some problem in your audio.
I
Okay,
am able to hear you, sir.
okay,
Be audible.
okay. I'm not able to hear you. No issues. Now, that is what the major problem is that with the mathematics and Vedic maths removes all such things. Why? Because Vedic mathematics will give you a transformation, a journey of transformation from fear of mathematics to confidence. So that is why we call it as a magical mathematics. Whatever we have been doing till now, the way we have been doing till now, that was all cramming part. And with Vedic mathematics, everything, every calculations would be done mentally. Maybe some calculations may involve one or two steps, but most of the problems you will be doing mentally. Okay. So, very first thing, I would congratulate you that you have taken the decision. And for that, I would like you to pat you yourself. See, whenever we do something good in our life, we should always appreciate our efforts because ultimately, the first step is the most difficult one. Just now, Nepali New Year passed or Hindu New Year passed. Before that, in Jan, it was a new year. We made so many resolutions. Last week of December, we might be planning, yes, I'll start meditation, yoga, morning walk from 1st of Jan. What happened to all those plans? Gone. See, always remember with every positive thought in your life, there is a doubt associated. So, whenever you are planning something positive, there would be always a doubt. So, don't get afraid of that doubt. Don't move, don't shift your plans. The same thing, if you would have planned a movie for 1st Jan, would you have changed your plans? Yes, Aparna?
No, sir.
No. I will not say that, yes, movie is not a positive thought. But yes, it is not a constructive, it is not educative, it is not that informative what your morning walk or any other things would have been, right? So whenever we get alert from a nature, yes, hold on, then always remember you're going on a right path. It is just it is verifying, yes, you can do it or not. So take it as a positive aspect. Okay, so let me introduce myself. So I'm Dr. Yogesh Chandna, and I'm an internationally certified trainer for Vedic mathematics. Apart from this, I'm an author for the books Vedic Mathematics Step by Step. That is a series of 6 books I have written, for which I was also awarded nationally. I'm an educator from past 26 years, and my job is to motivate and help people to grow as an entrepreneurs. So yes, I told you the first step is the most difficult one, and you have taken that first step today to start with the journey of Vedic mathematics. And that is a way, that is the reason why I will also say, go step by step, so that whatever you are doing in your life, you should be full of confidence and motivation, right? One more thing, never take life as this. Oh, I'm already, I've crossed 40 years, or I'm this much, I'm already earning. So I cannot go for something new. Life can change at any moment of time. Just remember, when did Donald Trump became the president of most powerful country of the world? When he was the age of 70 plus. When did this KFC man, he got. So all these people, they have achieved what they were looking for at this peak of time. So why do we start thinking at the age of 40 or 35 only that yes, I have crossed that limit, now I cannot do something new or I cannot learn something? So always remember, everything whichever we have learned from our fathers, forefathers, and the Vedas, it is be motivated and confident all the time. Yes, Oppo, what's your name? Please rename yourself. I cannot understand by this. Oppo CPH. Please rename yourself. Okay. Now, coming to, that was what I said. Whenever there is a positive thought, it is always has a doubt. This is our nature, right? And what is expected from us to be self-confident throughout the day. But you might have seen, even in a one day, so many times our confidence goes down, our motivation levels goes down. What do we start thinking? Oh, I am not feeling good, so I'll not have lunch. I'm not feeling good, so I'll not do anything today. What is that? See, what is expected from our life? Only two things: be motivated and confident all the time. Yes, Oppo, you have to say something. There is a disturbance from your end. Then you need to mute yourself because there is a traffic noise. And what's your name? Please rename yourself. Even I cannot issue a certificate on the with the name Oppo CPH 2269. Right, thank you. So, not to worry, what have happened, whatever negative thoughts or positive thoughts you had, now you are at the right time, right place. And this is, so let's start this journey with more positivity, confidence. And today is a day to learn. See, what is the motive of this workshop? It is to learn Vedic mathematics, first thing. Second, launch your own classes after this, because that is what you are looking for. A journey of transformation from this, and lead towards the path to success in life, right? So let's start with this journey. Very first thing. So before introducing Vedic mathematics, before starting with the calculation part, let's go behind the scene. What is the history of this subject? How it all started? From where did we get this subject? Yes. Any hint you have? Aparna, Ritu, Oppo, anything? So what is regarding history of Vedic mathematics, or why do we call it as Vedic maths? Why not any other maths? Yes. Anything? No. Rushika is joining now. Okay. People are late. Yes, Aparna, anything you know about this?
No, sir.
Okay. Rushika, anything regarding history of Vedic mathematics? So why do we call it as Vedic mathematics?
I understand. Plus, some things to like is
No,
what
Aparna, your I think mic is not working properly. So we are not able to hear anything out of it. Yes, Rushika, welcome. You're late already for 12 minutes. Yes, tell me. Do you know anything about history of Vedic mathematics or what is Vedic mathematics? Why is it called as Vedic mathematics? Okay. So, yes, Opa, you have not renamed yourself. Please rename yourself. Are you able to hear me? Okay. So what is Vedic mathematics? Why is it called Vedic mathematics? The word Vedic mathematics is called so because of its origin from Vedas. See, it is believed to be originated from our Vedas. Now, how many Vedas do we have? Yes, anyone? How many
no,
Vedas do we have? Four.
no,
So Rig Ved, Samved, Yajurved, and Atharved. So there are four Vedas, and this particular subject it is believed to be originated from our Atharveda. The Veda which deals with the branches like engineering, mathematics, culture, medicine, and all the sciences which we are today aware of. Right? So you got the name. Why is it called as Vedic mathematics? Because of its origin from Vedas. But the subject now, who was person who got the knowledge, who extracted the knowledge from Vedas and gave us this beautiful subject. So he was none other than Swami Bharti Krishna Tirathji. He was a Shankaracharya, a scholar at Jagannath Puri, that is in Odisha. You might be knowing that we have Shankara Peeths. So he was one of the Shankaracharya, a Hindu guru at Jagannath Puri in Odisha. And during his time, 1984 to 1960, he gave us this subject, which we today call, he wrote a book actually, which we today call as Vedic mathematics. Right? Any question you have regarding this till now? Yes, Ritu, Rushika, or Aparna?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Now, when we talk about Vedic mathematics, so what is it? Yes, we got to know that the history is from Vedas. Swami Bharti Krishna Tirathji, he gave us this subject. But what it is all about? So, the definition of Vedic mathematics says it is a collection of techniques. Now, techniques you all know. It is the methods, the different ways, or what do we call in mathematics such techniques? Formulas. So it is a collection of techniques or formulas, and in Vedic maths we call these formulas as sutras. So it is a collection of techniques, formulas, or sutras which helps to solve mathematical calculation easy, faster, and in a simple manner. Got the point? So in one line, if you want to say, Vedic maths is what makes your mathematics easy, simple, and faster. Right? Now, as we have formulas in mathematics, here we have sutras. How many sutras do we have? We have 16 sutras. See, unlike maths, you have so many formulas. Here, only 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras, or you can say 16 formulas and 13 sub-formulas, with the help of which you can solve problems in arithmetics, All the four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, squares, cubes, square roots, cube roots. Then your algebra, trigonometry, geometry, calculus, conics, and even organic chemistry. So people who have this myth that no, Vedic maths is only helpful in arithmetic. No, it is helpful for your almost all parts of mathematics. But yes, we don't have that much of knowledge, because even the content of Gurudev Swamiji, that is not completely available to us. So that is a reason everybody is giving a training in a different manner. For the advanced courses, we don't have good stuff behind. Right? But yes, arithmetic, it's very useful. Algebra, arithmetic, trigonometry, geometry, calculus, conics, it makes you perfect in that. Right? So if you have any questions in between, you can ask, because we'll start with the calculation part within some few minutes. But before that, that briefing is required. Now the question arises, why is it required? See, we got to know what is Vedic mathematics, but why is it required? What is the need of the art? When we were in our schools, we never did Vedic maths. Our parents did do maths, Vedic maths as such. So why is it needed now? So let me clear it to you. If I say due to policy, yes, as per education policy of India, the new education policy 2020. So in that, this subject has been made compulsory. So it would be taught in every school, right from class 3rd onwards. Right. And that is the reason why there is so much hype about this subject. Recently, on 24th or 23rd of March, UGC has also drafted a regulation that they are opening Vedic schools. So you can think how much it is required and how much it is essential. This is a financial perspective. Now, talking about what is the usefulness for students. See, we are focused for their education. Why we are looking, what we are looking forward from Vedic maths, will it help my student? Because the parents, they have only one query. My child is having fear from maths. Can it be removed? First thing. Can he be able to do mental calculations? Second thing. And so rest things, is it made compulsory? That comes the third. So yes, Vedic maths has got so many advantages due to which this subject has become important. Now, what are those uses? Very first use is it helps to solve mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster. Now, this statement you might have observed, you might have seen number of times on Facebook, Google, or any of the social media you use, and in advertisements, that Vedic mathematics helps to solve mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster. But my question is, yes, have you seen Aparna, Rushika? Now the thing is,
Yes,
my
sir.
question is, why does it happen? Why? See, this we know. Vedic maths helps to solve mathematical calculations 10 to 15 times faster. Some people have, I've seen somewhere it's written 400 times, 4,000 times. But why does it happen? Do you know the reason? Yes, Rushika, Ritu, Sanjot.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Now, I'll give you the reasons behind it, because that is very important when you are teaching it to the students. My first, okay. Now, how do you write on paper? If you have to write something, how do you write? Yes, Ritu? Left to right? This is how you write on paper?
Yes, sir.
If you have to read something, read a book, read a magazine, read anything, read newspaper, same way, correct?
Yes, sir.
Leave Urdu. That is a language where you go reverse. And Japanese also is there, but I'll give you the reason behind on that afterward. So that means throughout the day, whenever we are reading something or we are writing something, it is left to right. Now you are sitting at your home, just see in front of you. There might be a cupboard, there might be any books, there might be something placed on the table. The first instance you see is the things placed on left hand side and then towards the right hand side. Just watch. Is it so or not? Yes, is it so or not?
Yes, sir.
So that
Yes,
means
sir.
everything you do, your eyes coordinate with your brain, and that is always from left to right. Now, the question arises, when we do everything from left to right, why mathematical calculations the reverse way? Why mathematical calculations from right to left? Yes, Rushika, you have done mathematics. I think you are teaching also. Aparna, Sanjot, why maths calculation right to left?
Sir, I'm not a math teacher.
Okay,
I'm-
but at least you have done in your school times. That everybody has done, right? And at that time you might have faced that fear. Just think over it. Ritu, Sanjot.
Don't know, sir.
Okay. So, because we never thought this way. But, this is the reason why you are not able to do maths calculations mentally. We'll understand this with example when I'll be sharing you all the details. But this is the reason why your maths is slow. So in Vedic mathematics, you can do both left to right calculations also and right to left. So the direction does not depend. It is your choice. And you will observe that whenever you will be doing from left to right, you tend to become much faster. So this is one reason why in Vedic maths, your speed increases. Got it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Second reason. Now, what happens, Aparna, when your maid is absent? Are you able to do the things, household jobs in less time or more time? You take more time.
More time, sir.
Why?
Because we actually we have our own system. I mean, a timetable, and when we
That's
get depend,
fine. That's fine.
the practice maybe we lose on the practice, so it takes more time.
That you get delayed because you try to do more work. But
Yeah.
if that only work is to be done, what the maid is doing, then it would be much faster because you are not dependent on something. You are not passing orders first and then waiting for the response. So that is like when you do something independently, you are always fast. The speed is always moved. Just think over it now. Yes, Rushika, what about you? Sanjot?
So they are more efficient in their work. We don't do that often, so that's why we do it.
It's see, that was just an example of a maid. The point is, let it be any work. The point is, if you're doing a work yourself, then you are able to do it faster, or when you are getting it done from someone, then it is faster. Let's put it this way.
Yes, if we do it independently, we do it in our own pace, and yes, it is much more faster when we
Right.
do
So that
independent.
was just an example, but yes, let's put it this way. When we are doing something independently, it is much faster. And when we are dependent on someone, then it is bit slow. Now, same thing happens with Vedic maths. Here, you are not dependent on pen. You are not dependent on paper. You don't need a paper and pen for maths. So when you don't need any external thing, no paper, no pen, you tend to become more faster. And today you will observe these things. See, initial few problems you will be solving on paper. Later, I'll be asking you and you will be able to answer mentally. And you'll see, when you'll be answering mentally, then you are taking very much less time because you are able to calculate mentally. You don't have the botheration to write or do it. Okay. So that is the second reason why maths becomes faster with Vedic maths, because you are not dependent on even paper and pen. And that is the biggest thing, biggest hurdle. Now you're standing you are in a store, sari store, and you have to calculate the discount. If you're not able to calculate mentally, you'll not get a paper and pen to check it. Got it? So there you need to calculate it mentally only. So this was a second reason why, how Vedic maths helps to make speed increase. Third reason. Now, the pattern, the Vedic maths, it works on a pattern which we call it as visualization. Okay, I'll write it. Visualization. Now, what is visualization? If you remember, in junior classes, in preschools, play schools, we teach the students with the help of images, movies. Movies means poems, rhymes, videos. Why? Because visual has a long time impact. You remember the visual images for a long time. And the same thing is applied in Vedic maths. You'll start observing the numbers. You'll start visualizing the numbers. And that visualization will help you to find a reasoning. Then you apply logic. So these are the three things: visualization, reasoning, and logic. If anyone has these three things stronger in life, VRL, the life is going to change. I often call it as a life-changing process because I'll give you one example. Okay, for all of you, just give me this answer. The question is, you can write on your notebook, 576 multiply by, okay, you can put a sign, 121. How will you solve this? Yes, Rushika, Aparna, how will you solve this? Why I want you to answer, because I'll show you how you change your mind. Or
This
how
is, we
yes.
will do it according to our traditional whatever we've learned.
Okay, no problem. 576, 121.
Multiple, yes,
Perfect.
correct. Yes.
Just remember you answered this. Yes, Rushika, what about you? Ritu?
Yeah, same way, same way. Sir.
Same way. Sarjot?
Same way, sir.
Okay. I'm not going to tell you what you'll be doing, but I know you'll change. Now you'll see how you start visualizing the numbers, and the answer you'll be giving me for this after 15-20 minutes would be different. Because till now, we have been doing maths. Anybody gave any question, we start writing it. We never try to visualize that number. We never try to observe this number. Now, what happens when two students are fighting? What do you say? Please calm down. Just think. Why do we say please calm down first? What does that mean? See, we want them to be in a current situation and think what they are doing. That is known as visualization. Once they calm down and visualize, then they'll definitely understand, yes, it was a mistake. It was just due to some mistake. And this is how your life, whatever situation you come across, if you understand, if you visualize the problem, what is the problem due to, then you will be able to find a reason behind that and then apply a proper logic. So more VRL, more better is your life and more speed in the calculation. So this is a reason why so much research is being done on this subject, because due to this subject, when we say lapse in concentration, it increases. Why? What is concentration? When you start doing the practice, repetition of doing the things, or when it is not to do, visualization. Correct. So we all understand this with practical examples today. So this was the third reason why your speed increases. And the fourth reason. Now, when I said initially only Vedic maths means doing the calculations mentally or in very few steps. So when you are doing the calculations mentally, that means some part of the calculation you are keeping in your intellect. At that time, what happens? Both your brain starts working, both left brain and right brain. Now, what does left brain indicates, or what does right brain indicates? Who are the people who have left brain active? Yes, Abhijit, Rushika, who has left brain active? Yes,
Right-handed people.
right-handed people have their left brain active. Okay, and who has right brain active?
The left-handed people.
Okay, yes, Aparna, what about you? Now, tell me one thing, very just if you remember your grandparents, did they ever allow a young baby, a newborn baby, or when to hold the pencil in left hand or to write from left hand? Did your parents or your grandparents ever allowed the kids? Remember your days. So if it is so, that means nobody has got right brain active. No, it is not the case. This is just the same theory like don't cut nails in the night. Or if a cat crosses, don't go further. So nails were not cut during night because at that time there was no light. And it was not, we didn't have a proper scissors or nail cutters. So it was told you have to cut with something spark. So that was the reason you might not get hurt. It is just a belief. But in actual, people who are logically stronger, or students who are logically stronger, they have their left brain active, and who are more towards arts, creativity, music, they have their right brain active. Generally, we don't use our both brains. No. But with Vedic maths, both our brains start working. Why? Because at the same moment, you have to use both the brains. It is the system is like this. You have to think, you have to visualize as well as find the reason. That is the reason why your both brains starts working. I'll show you with example. And for this, multiplication with 2 is the biggest example. It is a good exercise if your both brains are not working and you want your both brains to work. Multiplication with 2 is the best mental exercise for this. Right. So when both the brains start working, both the brains get activated, that means your speed is automatically going to increase. So this is a reason. These four, I won't say these are the only reasons, but these four are the prominent reasons why with Vedic mathematics our speed tends to become more faster. Very first thing, the direction. We can now write from left to right or right to left, depends on our choice. Second, we are not dependent on paper and pen. We are independent of paper and pen also. So our speed increases. Third, we start visualizing, finding the reasons and apply the logic. That is the reason our speed gets increased. And the fourth point, both the brains get activated, so our speed gets increased. Any questions regarding this? Because you will not find the reasons in Google, Facebook, anywhere. These reasons might not, it's not might not, they have not been mentioned anywhere. So if you have any queries, any doubts regarding this, you can ask. Yes. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, so let's start with the calculation part. Take out your paper and pen and let us start doing the calculations. And we'll understand all these things with that. So the first topic is multiplication with 11 and its multiples. Written? Please write down also because I'll be asking the same question. Sanjog, written, Ritu, Apana, Rishika.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. Now, you know, we are starting with 11. There is a reason behind it because till now, it's the beginning of Vedic maths. We are not aware about the sutras and everything. So we start with the easiest one, the step one. Now, 11 is such a number, such a magical number. If you multiply this number with any number, any digit, any single digit number, that single digit is repeated twice. See the magic. How magical it is. No need to cram, no need to remember. Whatever is a single digit number to be multiplied, that number is written twice and you get the answer. My question is, does this magic remains with 2 digit also? Yes, there is a magic and today we'll understand that. Yes, what is the answer? 11 into 12. Yes, now it is the time to give answers. 11 into 12. Sanjog, Rushika, Ritu. If you find difficult in speaking, you can chat on, give the answers on the chat also.
122.
122 wrong. It is 132. But why you are slow? Because you tried this way. 2, 1, 0, 2, 1. So then adding 1, 3, 2. I'll give you a very easy. Yes, this was the way, Rushika, Sanjog, Ritu.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now
Yes.
see the magic. Very easy. Whenever see, multiplication means there are two numbers. Correct. So whenever one number is 11 and it is multiplied by any other number, we have to see that number. So first digit as it is, last digit as it is, in between add the two numbers. So is it easy? Yes, Aparna, now it is easy.
Yes.
You never knew that, right? Okay. If it is 23, then what would be the answer? 2, 5, 3. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So what is 11 into 32? 11 into 32, please, fast.
352.
Very good. Yes, Aparna, Rushika, no, Ritu, no answers.
So 352.
Got it. Now see how we are doing. My brain, it said 3. first digit. Then 3 plus 5, 2, 5 and 2. Correct. Okay, 44. What is the answer?
Four
Four eight four.
Good. 62.
682.
8
72.
792.
Aparna, get a calculator. Check. You are doing faster or calculator can do? It's just a 2-digit right now. We'll go by up till 5, 6 digits. Same speed would be there. I'll give you the logics. Okay. 34 into 11. Fast, fast, fast.
374.
374. 70 into 11. Fast. Rushika, fast, fast.
770.
770. Great. Okay. 45 into 11.
495.
495. 63 into 11.
Sorry?
63 into 11.
693.
693. Now, so 36 into 11 was 396. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir. No.
What is 37 into 11 then? Yes, Aparna. Ruchika. Don't worry at all. Just participate and you'll learn everything today. It is my challenge.
3107.
Sorry?
3107.
3107. इतना बड़ा हो सकता है आंसर?
407.
407. But what is the logic? Yes, Rushika.
Is it right?
Yes, it is right.
So you add the digits.
I just
the
did
first,
the 10. Yeah, the 10 that you get, I just added on to the previous one. So I got 407 because it's not a single digit.
I'll explain. See, when it was 36, I said first digit as it is. Then I said 9, then said 6. But I just, now we need to understand one thing more. Let's have a line in between. Now this is called as balancing lines. Now what is the purpose of this balancing lines? The purpose is to have single digit here, here, and here. The most leftmost can have any. So what is this concept called as? If you remember place values.
Yes.
How many digits can be accommodated at unit place?
1.
Perfect. How many digits at tens position?
2. 1.
That is where we were wrong. See, total number of digits, if you talk total, including unit, then you can say 2. But in actual, at tens position, it is always 1. This total.
Can have 1.
You know, you got it. It is a difference in understanding. Only one digit can be at one place. If you cannot remember like this, remember only one person can sit comfortably at one chair. Like one chair can hold only one person. Similarly, one position can hold only one digit. So same has to be applied this way. If you understand this basic balancing line, half of Vedic maths is over. Yes, Vedic maths revolves around this balancing lines. Entire multiplication, addition, subtraction, division, Yeah, square roots, cube roots, all the arithmetics. This is on these balancing lines. So arithmetic, you can say 99% gone if you understand this. So what happens in 37? 37, it becomes 3, 10, 7. Now this is correct because only one digit. Can we have 2 digits here? No.
No.
Yes, Sanjog, we cannot have 2 digits because as per unit place values, we can have only 1 digit. So I'll keep only first digit, the digit at unit side, and the extra one moves further. So this becomes 407. Now, how to remember it mentally? I said first digit as it is. The first brain says write 3, but immediately I get a signal that no, I'll be getting a carryover. Now, what is the carryover? 1. Because carryover will not be more than 1 anytime. Because maximum digits are 9 plus 9. So carryover 1 means I'll add it and put 07. Let's try more. Yes, now is it clear, Rushika?
Yes, sir.
Sanjog?
Yes, sir.
Basics, then very fast done. This is the key position, or you can say key thing to learn. Balancing the lines. So that is why it is called balancing lines only. Yes, Aparna?
Yes, sir.
Any question now you can ask, right? Okay. So what is 47 into 11? Fast, fast, fast. See, automatically increase the first digit. 5, 1.
617.
No, how 6?
617.
How 6?
Sorry, 51.
517. It would be increased 1 only, na?
517.
517.
Yeah,
Yes,
517.
Rushika, did you get? Sanjot?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. $76 into 11.
Eight three six.
836.
Got it? Now you are able to calculate it mentally.
Yes, sir.
Check.
Yes.
You have the calculators in your hand. Your mobiles are calculators. See, who is going fast? Your calculators. That calculators are not required for mathematics. Only thing is practice. A small practice. Okay. What is 84 into 11 now? $84 into 11.
9 to 4.
924.
9 to 4.
4.
Very good. 64 into 11.
704.
Yes, 704.
Got it? Yes, Rushika, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Any questions you have, you can ask right now. Not the issue. Okay. Okay. 47 into 11.
517.
517.
517.
Okay. 87 into 11.
957.
11. Sorry,
957.
957. Perfect. Yes, any doubts now? Any questions you have before we
sir.
move further? Rushika, Ritu.
No doubt.
Okay, what is the largest 2-digit number then? What is the
99.
largest two-digit number?
99.
99.
So what is 99 into 11? What is 99 into 11? How much time?
1009.
No.
1089.
1089.
1089. See, 9 will become 10. But 9 plus 9 will 8 will remain, na? And 9.
Yeah.
Or initially you can do like this 9, 18, 9. So see. So any doubt from number 11 to 99, two-digit numbers. Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Sure. So see, we have covered 30, 40 numbers. Rest you can do it. I don't think anything would be difficult now for two-digit numbers. Still, if you have, we'll go ahead. Okay. Let's move further. Three-digit number. 1, 2, 3 into 11. What is the answer? Fast. What is
Is it the
123?
same way we got to do?
Yes. I've not taught anything new. Same way. That's what I'll show you. Let it be 20-digit number. Today you will be solving 20-digit number also, the way Shakuntala Devi used to solve. Yes, she was doing brilliant. That was more than this. It was not only with 11, but same way we can do.
One three five three.
1.
353.
Yes, Rushika. Apana. Okay, I'll explain. First, I'll explain. This is the first three-digit number. Now, what do? First digit as it is. Then 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 3, 5. And 3. Now, but the question arises, Sanjot, why I was adding only 1 plus 2? Why not 1 plus 2 plus 3 together? Yes. Okay, let me tell you. See, here there are 2 ones. So I can only add 2 digits at a time. Not more than that. So it was 1. 1 plus 2 was giving me 3. 2 plus 3 gave me 5. And the last digit as it is. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is 321 into 11 then? Do it mentally, not paper is not required now.
What, sir?
321 into 11.
3531.
That's all. 3531.
Yes.
Now see, once the numbers become bigger, we'll take more time on calculators. And here it would be much faster with your brain. When brain is not dependent on paper and pen, I told you, it would be much faster. Okay, 4, 4, 5. What is the answer? 4, 4, 5 into 11.
4895.
4, 8.
4895.
895.
95.
Very good. So you are able to do
Yes, sir.
good. 7, 3. Okay, I'll not 7, 3 right now. Okay, 725 into 11.
7975.
7975.
7975.
Sure. Let's start with then. Here also, when we started 484 into 11. Okay. See, 4 as it is, 12, 12, 4. So what has happened? 5, 3, 2, 4. Or otherwise, you can think if you're doing it mentally. Now I know first digit as it is, but no, I am getting a carryover, so I'll increase. Again, 4 plus 8, 12. But I know carryover is coming, so I'll make it 3. And this will give 2 and 4. Did you understand or no?
Yes, sir.
See, for today, you can do it this way also. Means you can have it in 2 steps, not to worry. Because see, you are doing it for the first time. Yes, Rushika, is it clear or any question you have?
No, sir. Yeah.
Sanjot, Ritu?
No, sir.
Okay, ji. 6, 8, 7 into 11. Answer. Yes. 7, 5.
7557.
Very good. 7, 5, 5, 7. Yes, Sanjot, आंसर नहीं आया आपका? रुशिका,
No, sir.
क्यों नहीं आया? 3, 6,
So I got it 7557.
7. So 7, 5, 5, 7. Mentally, you have to do it. Mentally also can be possible. Okay. 786 into 11. Same. 8646.
Eight, 6, 4, 6.
You got it or you just answered after me?
नहीं सर आपकी भागी कैलकुलेशन हुई है
8646, sir.
Good.
8646.
7, 978 into 11. 10758. Yes or no? थोड़ा सा फास्ट करो भाई. We have lot much to do. अभी तो सिर्फ 11 शुरू हुआ है, 20 डिजिट तक करना है हमने.
9858.
9 तो होगा ही नहीं.
Sorry.
10758.
10758. फर्स्ट डिजिट हमेशा
Correct. Yeah, 10758.
if whenever we are getting the carryover, it would be automatically added by 1.
Correct, sir.
Got it? So 10. Now 9 plus 7 was 15. But again, I am getting a carryover from this side. That is 7 plus 8 is giving me a carryover. So I increase this also 7. But now 7 plus 8 is 15. So 5. I'm not having any digit this side. So I keep 5 as it is and 8, the last digit as it is, which usually we follow. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
4, 9, 6. Tell me.
five, 4, 5, 6.
5, 4, 5, 6. See how good you are doing. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Now is it clear or still any doubt is there?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Perfectly okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, after this, we will have one more example. Okay. 9 1 0. 9 1 0. Now what is the answer?
10 1 0 0 1 0.
10 1. Then got confused. See, I'll take. Yes, 910. Apana, you can think this way.
Yes, sir. I
What
got
is
is
it?
9, 10, 1, 0. So 10, 0, 1, 0. Am I
Yes,
right?
10 0 1 0. Not 10 1 1 0.
Yeah,
Got it?
I got this, sir.
Sure. So
Yes,
what
sir.
is the largest three-digit number?
999.
So what is 999 into 11? First.
Oh,
No, it's more easy.
80.
If you use 2 steps, then you will never go wrong. Mentally also, within some hours, you will be able to do bigger numbers.
10 9 8 9.
Very good.
1098.
Yeah, 10989.
Perfect. See, you are able to calculate such big number within seconds. Just try on calculator and see, compare yourself and feel proud of yourself. That is what you are learning. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 11. Now, what is the answer? Same, follow the same procedure as we did 3 digits. So what is the answer?
Mm. Six, 1, 2, 5, 7, 4.
13574.
1, 3, 5,
1, 3, 5,
7.
7, 4.
Very good.
4.
Yes, good. So that was only required. 1, 3, 5, 7, 4. Got it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
4, 3, 2, 2. What is the answer? Paper not required for this. 4, 7, 5, 4, 2.
47552.
5, 4, 2.
4, 4, 2, sorry. Yeah.
Yes, Sanjot? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Rushika,
Yes, sir.
Ritu? Okay. Chalo, let's have. If you're not able to do verbally, use step in between. Yes, what's the answer?
31097.
31097.
31097.
Perfect. Got the way now. 2, 10, 10, 9, 7.
97.
So it was 31097. Got it. Clear? Okay. 7875.
Yes.
Now your balancing line is getting clear.
Yes, sir.
And small calculations. See where we fail generally. Where do kids make mistake? They don't make mistakes in bigger calculations. They make in the small calculations. 7 plus 8, 8 plus 9, 8 plus 7, 8 plus 3. This is where they make mistakes. This is called as silly mistakes.
8662.
When we practice this way, we'll never make those silly mistakes. 8 8.
86625.
Okay, 8, 6,
625.
6,
25.
2, 5. Okay, good. Okay. Coming to 9082.
Nine 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 zero two
9, 9,
9
then
02
02.
02 99902.
902.
Yeah.
Oh. See,
Is it right?
check 9, 9, 8, 1, and 2.
Hmm.
So, is it correct?
Yeah, till here it's fine. After that,
Yes, it is 8 and this goes 9 only, na?
so it's right, no?
You should not ask me now. You should be confident now.
No, because he showed me, I got confused.
No, that's what I'm saying. This should be the way. If
Yes.
you are getting any confusion, check this way. Now
That's
you should
how I'm
not
following
question. Now you should answer only. Yes, this is
it.
there.
Okay.
9009. Yes, 9009 into 11. Yes, Rushika. What happened?
99099.
99099. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So tough आता है तो फिर भी हो जाता है. हाँ, easy दे दो तो मुश्किल होती है. You got confused कि सर ने easy कैसे आ गया? Okay. So let's end up this also. So 9999, the largest 4-digit number. What is the answer?
One zero nine nine eight nine.
109989. The same way.
Yes.
10, 9, 9, 8, 9. That's all. If it was
Yes.
999, it was 10, 9, 8, 9. If it was 99, it was 10, 8, 9. Got it? Any doubt now?
No, sir.
Okay. So if I would have asked you this question in the beginning itself, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11, nobody would have answered. Now can you
Yes.
answer?
Yes, sir. You try.
Today,
15795.
135795. You missed 3. You don't have to miss any number.
Yeah,
So be careful in that. Got it? So today you can ask any of math teacher, any of, so they will not be able to, because they have not done in practice. We never thought this way. Right? So Vedic maths is such simple thing. Okay. Right, so this way we can practice for 5 digits also. And even if I now give you 10 digits number, so I'm not giving you carryover right now, but just to understand that yes, it is not that tough.
Hello.
Yes. Yes, Aparna, you have to say something.
No, I couldn't. No, you were not audible in between, so I just want to check.
See, how many digits? I don't know. Can you do it now?
I know.
Then, you know what happens? We see maths and we say, no, we cannot do. Yes or no? But see, if it is with you, Aparna, think of the kids. They have the same situation. Yes, Sanjot, Rushika, they have the same position, same situation. And at our times, when we were in their place, when we were kids, we were children, we were doing the same mistakes. Please try to understand. Maths has been treated like this only, as a pain, as a fear factor, as a havoc. And this has been induced in their minds. If today you were finding it difficult, Aparna, initially, now you are laughing. Earlier you were not laughing also. Got the point? This is what you get with this subject. So how easy it is? Just adding the numbers and getting it off. Okay. Okay. So any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Yes. Rushika, I think you asked something. Okay, what did you observe
No, sir.
from what are your observations from this? Whatever we did till now, what did you observe? Okay, let me put this way. What was the topic? Okay. What was the topic?
Multiplication.
Multiplication with 11 and its multiples.
Multiplication with 11, correct?
With 11 and its
Okay.
multiples. Yeah.
So where did we multiply? When did we multiply? Did I multiply anywhere? Did we multiply anywhere? What happened? Yes, Aparna, Rushika, Sanjot.
No, we were
Yes, please, go ahead.
we were adding. So
What we were adding?
the numbers.
What numbers?
Multiple times. So
what numbers? What multiple times? You have to be specific. See, in order to teach or understand something, one has to be specific. Okay, I'll explain you. When in class 3rd or class 2nd, when we start with multiplication, the first question when it comes to be 2 into 3 is equal to 6. I hope you might remember this. At that time, nobody knew what is this cross. Because by then, you have done only addition. And everybody is that time clear about addition. So then teacher teaches 2 plus 2 plus 2. This is 6. Or 3 plus 3. This is 6. And a definition is derived. Multiplication is repetitive addition. Correct? Multiplication is repetitive addition. Now the question arises, yes, we were doing addition, that is clear. But can we say like this only, it's simply addition? Or anything specific about that addition? Yes, Sanjot, Rushika, Ritu. See, अगर आप किसी बच्चे को बोलोगे add for 11, you add. So will he get the complete knowledge? Or will he understand the concept? What to add?
no.
So we were adding corresponding digits. या neighboring कह दो. Correct?
Yes.
We cannot say adding the digits because this was the question. Was I adding 1 and 5? This is also addition. Was I adding 1 and 4? Was I adding 1 and 3? Was I adding 2 and 5? Or 2 and 4? No, no. So we were only adding 1 plus 2. 2 plus 3, 3 plus 4, 4 plus 5. So that is, we were adding only corresponding digits. So this you need to understand. Chalo, no issues. Anything else you observed in this system, in this method? Anything else? Yes, Aparna, try something. Sanjot, anything new you learned in this system? Rishika, chalo, I'll
We
give you a
try
hint.
to do it visually.
Very good.
Visually, we try to add
Yes.
things,
Very good.
the
Good.
corresponding digits.
Yes,
We try to
that's good. Anything else? What you never did before? Yes, Rishika, try.
So all of this is new. I don't think I've done this before, so
That's what.
specifically I don't.
No. Rishika, see, you're saying I did do this before. So what you didn't do before? That's what I'm asking. Answer that only. Should I tell you? You never did maths calculations from left to right.
true.
If this was the question given to you, you would have done this.
Correct, sir.
Correct. So for the first time in your life, you did maths from left to right. Now this is the question. And this is the answer. Please again recheck with yourself. When you do it from left to right, that is coming fast, or when you do from right to left, that is coming fast. Answer is also I'm giving you. Just check with yourself and give me your answer. Yes, Sanjot? Aparna?
Yes, sir.
राइट टू लेफ्ट में फास्ट हो रहा है आपसे या लेफ्ट राइट टू लेफ्ट में फास्ट हो रहा है?
So left to right is much
Left to right.
Left to right is happening faster. This method.
From last 25, 30 years, no, you have not used this technique.
True.
Within last 20 minutes, you learned this and you're finding it faster. So if you use for another 2 days, then what more you can do, you can just think over it. Got the point? Actually, we never tried it. We never try to do anything new in education. That is the point. We never try to, think different way. We always say, oh, this is written in the books. We have to follow these many steps. That's all. So that is not understanding and learning. That is cramming. See, maths is not a subject to cram. And here we fail. Why? Because if you remember in your junior classes, when you started with your school, every teacher, I'm talking about initial days only because later nobody listens to teacher. At that time, they make you understand this thing. Please learn something, understand it, and then remember it. Every subject teacher, let it be science, let it be social science, let it be language, any teacher. But when it comes to the maths teacher, when we have to remember the tables, the first fear factor of our life, then we cram it. And at that time, student does not understand what is the difference between cramming and understanding. So we follow the principle, cram, remember, and pass on. Correct. And that is the reason our maths also goes like that. Because we try to cram the formulas. We never try to understand them. We never tried whether calculation can be done the reverse way or not. We never tried. No issues. Any doubt on this calculation 11?
No, sir.
What are multiples of 11? What are multiples of 11? The table. 11, 22, 33, 44.
23.
Correct.
44. Yes.
Now,
Yes.
this is the question. 141 into 22. What is the answer? Yes, Sanjot, Rushika, what is the answer? How will you solve it? See, you know 11 now. You know 22 is multiple of 11. So how will you solve this? Yes, Aparna? नहीं आया दिमाग में? संजोग? रितु? Hi. Rushika? So 141. Now, what is this? 22. What is 22? 2 into 11. So what is this?
Okay.
282 into 11. And we know what is 2, how it is to be done. 3102. Now, some would say, sir, why not 141 into 11 into 2? Yes, that's also correct. 1552 into 2. That is 3102. Did you understand? Yes, Rushika. Aparna.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
भाई 11 करा दिया, अब टीचर कोई हर क्वेश्चन तो नहीं करा पाएगा ना, पेपर में तो वो पूछेगा नहीं 11 दोबारा, वो मल्टीपल पूछ लेगा ना कि नहीं, हर क्वेश्चन तो सॉल्व किया नहीं जा सकता. Now both are correct, but my question is again, which is more appropriate method in these two? First, या second? This is your A, this is your B. Which is more appropriate? कौन सा ज्यादा सही है method? संजोत सोचो. रितु, अपर्णा. नहीं समझ आया? ट्राई करो. ट्राई करोगे तभी आंसर्स मिलेंगे. एक तो पहले ही आपने वीडियोस ऑफ किए हुए हैं तो फिर वो ध्यान नहीं आ रहा. सी वीडियो
No,
ऑन
sir, I
रहेगा.
mean, you asking us which is appropriate. Both are getting the same.
Yes. And why? Yes, Rushika.
So I think the second one is more
I
appropriate.
think B is right for the reason that it's a multiple of 11.
Which one is right?
The second
I feel it's a
one.
B1.
yeah.
I'll tell you now. Both are multiple. See, 22 is 11 into 2 also, and it is 2 into 11 also. What is the difference?
And 2 into 11 also.
What is the difference? Now, why I'm saying A is more appropriate? Why? See, it is not every time you will have 22. Let's say it is 99. So then what you'll do? 141 into 9 would be easy, or 1552 into
9
9
into
would be
11.
easy. Got my point? So remember, whenever you
Yes.
get multiple of 11, first solve that multiple. Because I just taught you 11 you can multiply with 20-digit number. Can you multiply even 2 with 20-digit number? No. You'll get confused. 3, no. 11 is the most easiest. So keep that easiest up till the last, because that will make your calculations easier. But if you get stuck like this, 1552 into 9 is a bit true thing. 141.9 is better in terms of comparison. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Think. Even if you go
Yes.
wrong, not an issue. If you'll not answer, then you'll not understand anything. So try answering something. Okay. One more question. 576 into 121. What is the answer? Yes, Rushika? No? Answer is 69696.
1 minute, sir. No.
How?
696.
69?
6.
That's all. 576 multiplied by 129. Can it be 3-digit number?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir.
How you are doing? Tell me. Yes, Rushika?
1 second, sir.
So, chalo, I'll tell you. What is this?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir.
11 into 11? What is
So
this?
69696.
6996. 6996.
96.
So you tried with this method, Aparna? Aparna, you tried with this method?
Yes, sir.
Why? You told me the other method na, earlier. Remember? Should I show you the screen?
That you told us, but you told us to do the other, right?
I didn't told. I said this you will realize.
That
See, that
Yes.
is known as visualization. Try to understand. Till now, we were doing maths like somebody gave the question and we started writing without observing the number, without realizing the number, without finding any reason to it. Now, you'll never in your life, whenever you'll be getting 11 or its multiple, you'll always try this way. Because this is mentally. Got my point? So we never took maths such a way. That is the reason we were slow. Yes, Rushika, did you try this way or the old pattern?
No, sir, I tried it this way only.
तो थोड़ा सा समझ देखो, I won't say 100% you might have done it, but at least you're getting the concept. संजोद कैसे किया ही नहीं
नहीं सर, अब इसी वे से करके देखा है।
इसी तरीके से किया. चलो, so any questions now regarding this? Now 11 ही तो नहीं है. Let's say 123 into 111. Now what will happen? कि हमने क्या किया आज 11 सीखा, 11 के बाद 42 भी हो गया, 33 भी हो गया, 40 99 तक हो गया और 121 भी करके देख लिया. We learned multiplication with so many numbers. 11, 12 numbers we did it, right? By just one concept. Same. This is not different. This is also on the pattern of 11 only. I'll explain how. If it was 123 into 11, and here I'm writing simple one. Now see the difference. Here I told you why 2 digits are added, because there are 2 ones. So first I was taking 1, then 1 plus 2, then 2 plus 3, and then 3. So the answer was coming 1, 3, 5, 3. Or I can write in vertical format, easy ho jayega. 1 and 2 I'll add, 2 and 3 and 3. But what happens here? As it is 1, 1 plus 2. Up till first two levels, it's same. Third, now there are not 2 ones, there are 3 ones. So what is that I can add one more digit to it? Now all covered. So
Yes.
I'll start moving further. 2, 3, 2 plus 3 and 3.
3 and 3.
So 1, 3, 6, 5, 3. See, this 6 comes extra in between. Or if you have to write down in this way, so 1, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, then 2 and 3, then 3. Yes. Did you understand or you have a doubt?
Can you repeat it, sir?
Yes. I'll 1, 2, 3 into triple 1. Now, since we have 3 ones, that means I can add 3 numbers at one time.
Three.
That is the way.
Correct.
First, as it is, because we'll always move from this side. So first, only single digit, then 2 digits. Now, this was where I used to shift because I can have only 2 digits that time. Right, in this 1, 2, 3 to 11, I was shifting 1, then 1 plus 2. Then I was shifting because I cannot have 3 numbers, so I was shifting this way. Then after this, I was again shifting, but यहाँ कुछ था ही नहीं, 0, so 3 रह जाता था. Correct. Now here I have 3. So 1 plus 2 plus 3. Finish. Now again I am shifting. Now is that clear? Yes, Sanjog.
Yes, sir.
Rishika, Ritu.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll give you 3 questions. 3, 4, 5 into triple 1. Give me the answer. I'll be back. 1 second. Write down the answer. 345 into triple 1. Yes. So what is the answer?
38295.
3. Yes, Sanjog, did you get this answer? 38295.
Yes, sir.
Rushika?
382.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Very good. So, see, if you can solve this, that means you're doing good. Great. Okay, one more. 5, 8, 5 into triple 1.
Six four nine three five.
Sorry, come again.
64935.
6, 9.
64935.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
64935.
Yes. Everybody got it?
Yes, sir.
Sanjot,
Yes.
क्या Aparna?
Yes,
Yes,
sir. I
sir.
got it, sir.
64935.
चलो. One more. Sanjot, क्या हुआ? Why you are not getting? संजोत,
सर वो थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन हो गया था।
समझो पहला डिजिट, पहले दो डिजिट्स का टोटल क्या आएगा 13, तीनों का क्या आएगा 18, फिर दो का क्या आएगा 13, 5, तो क्या हुआ 6, यहाँ एक गया 4, 9, 3, 5। देखो मैं ये नहीं बोलता मेंटली हो जाएगा, तो आप ये स्टेप अगर लिख लोगे गलती नहीं होगी कभी भी। गॉट इट? ओके, 9, 8, 7 into 111. Yes, yes. क्या आएगा आंसर?
One zero nine 557.
10
9 557.
सेम है सर 109555
109557.
चलो 109557 मेजॉरिटी एक तरफ है तो मैं कैसे कुछ कहूंगा। चलिए करेक्ट। नाउ इफ इट इज 1 2 3 4 into 111, नाउ गॉट इट। पहले हमने 3 डिजिट्स का किया, 123 का किया। नाउ इफ आई हैव मेड 4 डिजिट्स, कैन यू थिंक? और first try, otherwise I'll explain. Same pattern as 11. I would say just same thing. Okay, I'll do. The first one, then 1 and 2, then 1, 2, 3. Now I cannot have more than this. So what I'll do, I'll shift. So 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 4. So this is your answer. 1, 3, 6, 9, 7, 4. Yes, Rushika? Clear? पर ना आपका ना जो स्पीकर है उसमें प्रॉब्लम है, वो तार हिलती है शायद, तभी यहाँ पर दूसरी वॉइस आती है एकदम। Yes, did you get this answer?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand what's the difference now?
Yes, sir.
तो कितने भी डिजिट्स ऐड कर लो। See, we now remember we can add any number of digits. 2, 3, 4, 5. So क्या होगा? पहले 2, then 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. Finish. इसके बाद, so first was these 3, then we shift. So 7 plus 5, 12. Then 9 and 5. So what happens? 2. ये जब यहाँ जाएगा तो 0 आ गया ना। 6, 2, 9, 5. Clear? बट कितना टाइम बच रहा है आप सोचो. Same question, if you try with your normal method, you'll write 2, 3, 4, 5, then 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 0, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 times multiplication and then addition. And here what we did, you can understand. Clear? So this is the comparison between normal way of doing maths or multiplication, and that is with Vedic maths. Yes, do you have any question now? Second. Now, similarly, if it is even 5-digit numbers, so today I'll be giving you homework. See, practice those. Into 111. Can you do this? Yes, do this. Yes. What is the answer?
So is it 137295?
1370,295. Is this the answer? I'll show. Yes, Sanjot.
सर कंफ्यूजन हो गया.
क्या कंफ्यूजन है बोलो. आंसर सिर्फ यही बोल देना कंफ्यूजन हो गया तो नहीं होगा. क्या किया बोलो. फर्स्ट क्या लिखा.
फर्स्ट सर 1
दूसरे में
1 + 2
कितना हुआ.
3.
वेरी गुड. देन
सर 2 + 3 1 + 2 + 3.
कितना हुआ. 6. करेक्ट. यहां तक ठीक हो. अब ये 3 डिजिट्स हो गए बट अभी डिजिट्स और हैं. सो नेक्स्ट विल मूव टुवर्ड्स राइट ना. So, पहला डिजिट छोड़ देंगे और आगे बढ़ते. जैसे 111 में भी तो यही कर रहे थे. पिछला डिजिट छोड़ते थे अगले में बढ़ते थे.
So I said
Yes, Aparna. Yes, संजोत. क्या 2, 3, 4 का पता चला क्या हुआ. 2, 3, 4, 9. अब यहां भी खत्म हो गया. You need to further move. 3, 4, 5. So what is that? 12. फिर अब वही 3 गए थे तो 3 के बाद 2 आ जाएंगे. 9, 5. 5 as it is, 9 as it is, 2, 0, 7, 1, 3. Yes, संजोत. अब समझ आया. Don't lose up. Don't lose. This is very easy. थोड़े से घबराओ नहीं. Yes, रुशिका. अपाना घबराना नहीं है. 11. Yes, 11 में अब आपको बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. But 11 was also same initially. So don't worry. Same 11 की तरह ये भी याद हो जाएगा. Practice 11 today. Homework करो. Everything would be fine. Correct? मैं सिर्फ अब 1-2 स्टेप्स समझा देता हूँ and then we'll move. अच्छा चलो एक क्वेश्चन आ गया. सपोज 12 into 111. Now what you will do? Yes, Sanjot, Rushika, Aparna. What will we do? बोलिए. Right? The very first thing, make it a 3-digit number. Finish. 0 first. 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 plus 2. Then 1 plus 2. Then 2. So it is 1, 3, 3, 2. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Rushika, Aparna, क्या हो गया? बोर हो गए?
Yes, sir, got it.
कि थोड़ा सा तो दिमाग में लाना पड़ेगा ना, हमें 3 डिजिट चाहिए तो कैसे करना है? Write down this example, not to worry. 11 की तरह स्पीड आ जाएगी. Just complete today's homework. I'll give you homework. I'll tell you where to submit. It would be submitted in the group, and our teachers will evaluate. Okay. Now, similarly, if it is 4 ones, then also you can do same 1, then 1 plus 2, then 1 plus 2 plus 3. Now these are 4 ones. That means fourth digit can also be added here itself. Did you understand? Yes, संजोत, समझ आया? सब कुछ इसके ऊपर निर्भर करेगा. अगर ये 11 था तो 2 ही डिजिट्स ऐड हो रहे थे. If it was 111, 3 digits ऐड हो रहे हैं. If it is 4 times 1, 4 digits ऐड हो रहे हैं. If it is 5 ones, 5 digits ऐड होंगे. Did you understand? Yes, Aparna, Rushika, Ritu. ऋषिका,
sir.
आपने क्या हुआ? नहीं समझ आया?
Understood, sir.
Okay. So just complete the homework. Whatever doubts would be there, we'll do it tomorrow again. Let's move further to the next topic. We're still. So is it clear? See what we learned. Doing left to right was much faster. Visualization, reasoning, logic. So 121 may we got it. Yes. 576 into 11 into 11 is more powerful. Either go that way, easy हो जाएगा. Dependency खत्म हुआ तो भी fast हो गए we, right? And we saw how we were mentally doing the calculations. We were using our both the brains, correct? So these were the reasons why our speed got increased. But speed increase हुआ या नहीं? Yes. Did you find a change in your speed? Okay, good. Sanjot?
Yes.
So this was see, when I'll be giving you homework, I'll be giving you notes also. So you can download those notes. See, for like this was the format: left digit, add the digits, right digit, right? So we did so many examples of this, and then it was a test we did. So we were actually adding corresponding digits and not multiplying. So this was the first observation, and we were calculating from left to right rather right to left. Now, second major use of Vedic maths. So it reduces burden. Now, what is burden? Burden is remembering tables. Yes, Aparna. Do you find tables easy? Till which number you can write down the tables? Aparna, Rushika, Ritu.
12.
12. So that means if I ask you to write a table of 89, how much time you need?
Probably a lot.
Let's define one thing. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, anything you can say. Whatever you is coming in your mind now. Hmm?
Maybe 10 minutes.
Okay. Yes, what about you, Aparna? Sanjod. Okay, you remember your days when you used to get thrashed, caning. आज के बच्चों को तो पिटाई नहीं होती क्लास में, but तब हमें पड़ती थी. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
रोज टेबल्स वही 18 का याद कर लिया तो 19 पूछ लेते थे, 19 याद कर लो तो 23 पूछ लेते थे. तो टीचर के पास तो अनलिमिटेड ऑप्शंस थी. Students had only one mind and that was the most difficult thing. And that was a time when we used to think, why maths? किसी काम की चीज नहीं है. Correct? Do you agree with me or not? Aparna, Rushika,
Yes, sir.
याद है वो दिन के नहीं भूल गए? चलो, anything. आज वो टेबल्स का भूत जो आपके बच्चों पर भी है, let's remove that. Tables were never tough. Tables were very easy. The only thing is the way we did was not correct. And today I'll give you two methods. Okay, let's start. So the first technique, so the biggest burden you are removing today, so feel happy after that. First is writing tables. Yes, Aparna, you didn't answer. Rushika said maybe 10 minutes. How much time you need to write table of 89?
I'm very slow in maths.
Still you think after 11?
Now it's fine, but then if you ask me to write 89 right now,
Don't first start taking it positive. I can do it. You know what Vedic maths will give you? One is it is a journey of transformation from fear of mathematics to confidence. This is the first thing. Second, you attain a feeling, yes, I can. And that is required. If you start feeling this, yes, I can, you will be doing it. And the third is the ability to think. So today we'll be doing different ways. So first is writing tables of numbers ending with 9. So what are the numbers ending with 9? Yes, Aparna. कौन से numbers end होते हैं 9 से? 9, 19, 29, 89, the most one which I am asking again and again. 119 and 9, 6, 8, 9, anything, 189. Whatever is there, only the condition is it should end with 9. And the second concept we will learn is general tables of any 2-digit, any 3-digit, any 4-digit, any 5-digit numbers. So all tables today within this 20-25 minutes would be done. Okay. What is this? अगर बच्चे होते तो अभी चिल्ला रहे होते. एक जब YouTube देखेंगे ना मेरा तो एक बच्चों का वीडियो देखना वर्कशॉप फॉर स्टूडेंट्स. 85 students were there and they were shouting, screaming, everything they were doing when they saw this picture. Not this way, because when we go for a children's workshop, then it is original pic of that. But at least बोलते हैं. आप लोग चुप रह जाते हो. Okay, we'll not do this. Just will make use of this box. So first, I'll write down 1 to 9. So 1, starting from the rightmost corner, going to the middle, but direction please follow करना है यही. You cannot change the direction. Draw it in your notebooks. Any question on this you can ask. So first thing, for any table number ending with 9, you have to draw this 1 to 9 like this. Done? Second, suppose we have to write a table of 19. Let's complete it 19 here. What after this? Here it is important thing you need to understand. The sutra, I'll tell you the name of the sutra also. It is Ekadhikena Purvena. That means Ek Adhik, then Purvena means previous. The translation says one more than the previous. That means we just have to add one. See, when we are doing tables of 19, 29, or 89, or 119, you don't have to touch this number 9. Nothing. You don't have to do anything with this. Whatever is this number, add 1 to it. What is the new number? 2. What is the new number? 3. What is the new number? 9. Correct? Because adding 1. What is the new number? 12. This you can do. So here it is in 19. So that means 2. So that 2 will be added every time. 1 plus 2 is, yes, what is 1 plus 2?
3.
3 plus 2, again 2. Keep on adding 2. 3 plus 2.
5.
And we'll come down this way. The reverse. 5 plus 2.
7.
7 plus 2.
9.
9 plus 2.
11.
11 plus 2.
13.
13 plus 2.
15.
15 plus 2.
17.
17 plus 2. 19. This proves we are doing right. 19 starting, 19 ending. Add 0 to it. It becomes 19 10s are 190. Now see. 19 1s are 19, 19 2s are 38, 19 3s are 57, 19 4s are 76, 19 5s are 95, 114, 133, 152, 171. And what we did, we just added 2 and we got the table of 19. Is it clear or any doubt? Yes, Aparna. Do we have any doubt in this? Rushika?
No doubt, sir.
So, same, if you have to write a table of 39, let's say, 39, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that means I'll be adding 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 4, 23. 23 plus 4, 27. 27 plus 4, 31. 31 plus 4, 35. 35 plus 4, 39. What is this? Table of 39. Is it difficult? Yes, Apana, Rushika, Sanjot. मुश्किल है?
No, sir.
Clear? Aparna, कोई doubt है? Ritu, कोई doubt? Yes, if you have doubt, you can ask Aparna. Rushika, कोई doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, if there is no doubt, please try with the table of 29. Please try yourself. करो. Let's see how easy you can do it. Yes, have you done it or not, Rushika, Apana?
So I'm trying, sir.
Let me show you. $29, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 14 plus 3, 17, 17 plus 3, 20, 20 plus 3, 23, 26, and 29. Finish. Not more than 8 to 10 seconds. Yes, Sanjot? Aparna? Okay. Okay, let me show you the one which we were discussing, 89. So 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 9, 26, 26 plus 9, 35, 35 plus 9, 44, 49 4 plus 3, 53, 53 plus 9, 62, 71, 80, and 89. Finish. How many seconds? 8. Yes, Aparna? You said 10 minutes. Rushika?
So could you explain this again?
Sorry, come again?
Could you explain this again?
Which one? 8 or
The
89 or
89. 89.
did you solve 29?
Yeah, 29 I got.
So what will you add here? This is 89. So what you'll add? 9.
Yes, sir.
So what is 8 plus 9? Yes,
17.
Rushika.
Yes. Okay, got it. Got it.
Then 17 plus 9, 26. 26 plus 9, 35. 35 plus 9, 44. 44 plus 9, 53. 54, 3 plus 9, 62. 71, 80, and 89.
Okay.
The concept is only one.
Yeah, got it.
Just have to add 1 to the previous number, and that new number is to be added every time. That's all. Yes, Aparna, is it clear? Sanjot, Ritu.
Yes, sir.
Acha, chalo, if it is clear, write down for 99, the most easiest one. Please do it and let me know. 99. 99 करो, बताओ. Once you do it, please let me know.
Yeah, got it, sir. 108, 207, 304, 405, 506,
So I
603.
told you most easiest, but the only thing is once you need to understand the concept, that's all. Now same, it is not, it is applicable on 2 digits. See for 3 digits, 11, that means you have to add 12. So 11 plus 12, 23, 23 plus 12, 35, 35 plus 12, 47, 47 plus 12, 59, 59 plus 12, 71, 71 plus 12, 83, 95, 107, and 119. So is it difficult? And this was the first sutra of Vedic mathematics, ekadikena purvena. That means one more than the previous. And the mathematical meaning is add one to the previous number. Yes, Sanjog, समझ आया?
हाँ जी सर.
होमवर्क करना है आज सबको और सबमिट करना है. Got it?
Sir, you told that you have to add 2, right?
आवाज नहीं आ रहा आपका अपर्णा.
Can you hear me?
No, Aparna, your mic is not proper. Either be more close to it.
Hello.
Yes, Aparna.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, it is audible, but not that much clear. No problem. You speak.
So I'm a little confused with the start. As in, you told me that you have to add 2 to the start, right? Where it is 9.
I said that was the, see, again, if it is 19, then what is this? 1. You are adding 1 to it, so that becomes 2. But if the table is 39, adding 1 to 3, it will give you 4. Similarly, in case of
If it is
89,
99 now, so if I add 1, it should be 10, right?
yes. See, 99. So in case of 99, that means you add 10. So that 9 plus 10 is 19. Then 19 plus 10 is 29. 29 plus 10 is 39. 39 plus 10 is 49. 49 plus 10 is 59. 59, 79, 89, and 99. So 99 means, now what is 99 into 10? 990 only. So where is the confusion?
Because earlier you had written 12, so I got confused.
No. That was in case of 119. Na? This is I have written. What is this number? 119. So 11 plus 1 is 12. 89, that is 9. But 99, it will become 10 only, na?
Okay, sir.
Just add 1 to the previous number. That's all. Don't worry about it. Again, I'm saying you can download, once you'll download the notes and you'll do homework, everything would be clear. See, after so many years you are doing this, definitely you might take time, but not to worry, it's very easy. And these 2 points, if you teach it to your children only, then only they'll you know, they'll be happy enough. It is being. Hello? Okay. Now any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, okay, you have done 89. Perfect. If I ask you now how much time you need for 87, then? Yes, Rushika, Sanjod, or any number, 65, 64, 63, 68, or 72. How much time you need for all such tables? Or if bigger, 987. So how much time you need now? Or how will you do? Yes, Apana? Rushika? Okay, I'll tell you. See, if you'll not answer, you will not understand also. So you have to answer if you want to learn more and more, because You can ask your queries.
So it will take a lot of time. So
Sorry?
it will take a lot of time to do such big digits
No.
if you don't know.
No, the point was we never thought in the way. Let's start. Okay. What is the least table? Okay. What is, are you comfortable up till 12?
Yes.
Let's start with 13. Right? Now, there are two techniques you do. One is you keep cramming. 13 ones are 13. 13 twos are 26. 13 threes are 39. Fours are 52. And so on. Here we lose. Second concept is you keep on adding. Now, because 13 is a small number, but when bigger number comes, you keep on adding. 13 plus 13, 26. 26 plus 13, 39. 39 plus 13, 52. Yes. So these are the two techniques which you follow, or any other way.
So these are the two techniques.
Yes, Rushika?
Yes.
We never thought another way. Yes, Aparna, do you know table of 1? Don't take it. Yes, Rushika, table of 1. We know.
Yes.
Chalo,
Yes.
let's write. Finish? So easy. Table of 3. We know.
Yes, sir.
Was it tough? No. Now, we just did place values. Rearrange them. For first 3 steps, the answer is same. Without any calculation, you just combine the digits and answer you got. Here, what you will do? 2 as it is. What will this happen to this one?
It'll get added to 4.
So it becomes 52. So we did 4
Yeah.
plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 2. So that means 65, 78, 91, 104, 117, 130. So adding 13 every time is easy, or adding 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 2 is easy.
This is easy.
So is this really a rocket science? What I thought. But this concept is not available on any book. Any books of mathematics in India, abroad. This way has never been touched. So is it really tough? Or we don't want our students to take easy things? See, this way they can do it mentally and they don't need to cram everything again and again. Same. I said 87. You all were stuck. 87. What is this? 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, and so on. 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, and so on. So what happens? 87. 4 as it is. 1 goes here, so it becomes 17. 1 here, 26. 8 here, 34. 5 here, 43. 2 here, 52. Now, 87 is difficult. Yes, Aparna?
No, sir.
सिर्फ नो सर नहीं समझो, कुछ समझ आया?
हाँ जी.
Yes, Rushika?
Yes, sir, but it's actually very easy.
See, it was not tough, na? The only thing was
Yeah.
we were not taught this way. You know, once I was teaching a student in Scotland. After this concept, he told his father, what the hell our teachers have been teaching since so many years? And the father called me up. He said, what did you teach today? Like, what happened? No, you tell me first. What happened? Yeah, I thought he might be complaining regarding me, but then he told me this thing. He said he's getting mad that why this thing was not taught to him earlier, because such small things we overlooked. And believe me, if you see my page also, on Tuesday I had a show, Ask Me How, in that DPS Dehradun, the staff was there. On Thursday, DPS and other schools of Dimapur, Nagaland were there. Same thing, same situation. Why you are not teaching this? Because it is not in the books. Why do you stick to the books only? These are small things which as a teacher you can think, which as a teacher you can add to the students, and then they can gain something out of it. Why we are limited to only schools? Because that is creating a problem for us. Are you getting what I am saying?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
So is it tough? Now you can do any 2-digit table. Let it be anything,
Yes.
anything you think. Okay, try with 23, try with 67, try 2 tables first. Got it? हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Now, any 4-digit now, any 3-digit number, 3, 6, 9. Suppose this is the table you have to write. So 6, 12, 18, 9, 18, 27, 24, 36. So 369 as it is. 8, 3, because this will go here. So 3, 7, 7, 20. So 0, 2 goes 11, 6, 7, 14. So is it difficult? That is why I taught you balancing lines. So this is what you are doing here also. It is basically you are doing balancing only. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Any question you have? Aparna, Rushika, Sanjot, Ritu, any question you have? Now
No,
comes to the point,
No, sir.
multiplication. See, sometimes, so single digit multiplication. Suppose this is the question, 8, 6, 7 into 9. Now, how do we do? 9 sevens are? 9 sevens are? क्या हो गया? 63. So should I write 63 here?
only the 3
And 6 goes?
on top.
Okay. 9 6 are 54. Correct? And 6
54,
60. 0 again 6.
yeah.
72 and 6 78. Now this is correct. But what happens? Are all students able to do this also? No. They get confused
Yeah.
in this. This overlook silly mistakes. These are called as silly mistakes. multiple carryovers and borrows are known as silly mistakes in Vedic mathematics. So even you might have seen this. If you ask your child again, check your answer, he's not able to. Now see the Vedic maths way. Just now we did 9 7s are 63 as it is table 54 22. Now you'll say, sir, here it was one step, you have taken 2 steps, but the answers are in front of them. They'll never make a mistake. Got the point? This is known as, you can call it as place-wise multiplication, or you can call it as multiplication with balancing line, whatever you can call. But they will never go wrong here, because answers are in front of them. Their answers were not there, and that was a major reason why they make silly mistakes. Any questions you have now, please ask. Yes, Sanjot, koi question, Ritu? Okay, so this was the second advantage. First was it increases speed. Second, it reduces burden, the burden to remember tables. So you need to remember only tables up till 9. 9 also not 8, because 9 also you can do with here. So what? It removes that burden, right? So these notes you will be getting from where you learn everything that would be, you can store it later. Now, apart from these 2 advantages, there is a third advantage. It reduces scratch work as well as finger counting. Now, just now you were doing calculations. You were doing multiplications with 5 digits, 4 digits, 6 digits. Did you use the scratch work? Did you use rough work? Yes, Sanjot, rough work की जरूरत पड़ी? रुशिका?
Sometimes, yes, sir, little bit.
पढ़ती है मैथ्स में, बट यहाँ तो नहीं पढ़ी अभी. It reduces, जहां भी पढ़ी बहुत कम. Got my point? So if you see in exams, maybe we always give rough sheets for maths. So in Vedic maths, this rough work is, or what you call as scratch work, is reduced to a limit. Got it? As well as finger counting. Now, why I am focusing here finger counting? As a parent, as a teacher, you might have seen your kids doing on fingers. You don't like it. Second thing, what is this finger calculation associated with? This is linked to abacus. And when you will be starting learning, training Vedic maths, आप कल एक बैच अनाउंस कर दीजिए कि I am teaching Vedic maths. The first mother will come to you and ask, what is the difference between Vedic maths and abacus? Do you have the same question?
Yeah, abacus is more instrument oriented, right?
Yes. So
We can have
I'll give you. So this is how. Now I'll never say that Vedic maths abacus is not good, because it is also a mental tool. This is how it looks. But habit of fingers, we don't like it as a parent. Now, what is the basic difference between Vedic maths and abacus? See, abacus is used to carry out major operations of arithmetics. That is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and somewhat squares and cubes. What after that? You have square roots, you have cube roots, you have LCM, HCFs, and so many things. How will you do that? Algebra, trigonometry, geometry. So abacus has a limitation. Whereas Vedic math, with the help of 16 sutras and 13 subsutras, you can do all the calculations of arithmetics, calculus, algebra, trigonometry, geometry, conics, and organic chemistry. Got it? So wide range of problems can be sorted out. Second, abacus is tool-based, which has beads, and it becomes. So can you carry a abacus tool with you in your exam center? Can you carry abacus in your school class? No. But In Vedic maths, it's a mental ability. So you are always carrying your brain with you. Got it? Since it is not based on the tool, it is easy to teach as well as learn. Now, if I was teaching you abacus, I would have been carrying instrument like this in my hand, and it would have been very difficult for you to understand that online. Got it? So, and the last and the most important thing, Vedic maths has already been inculcated in your school syllabus because it's not different from your syllabus. Whatever you are learning there, you just are doing faster with Vedic maths here. But abacus is entirely different because you cannot inculcate that with your school syllabus. So that is another point. Any questions you have, you can ask. Yes.
Okay.
Any? Okay. So yes, another advantage, it increases concentration. Now, this is the first thing which every mother has a problem. Whenever you're going for a PTM, the first question parent says, my child is studying every time but not able to concentrate. Where it is the fault? See, concentration cannot be, you cannot get through medicines or any syrups, nothing. What is concentration? Concentration is repetitive action of something. When you repeat something. Now, okay, when you were doing this 11 fast, very fast, when you were doing at the peak, in 3-digit, 4-digit, were you not feeling some positive vibes in your body?
Yes, sir.
Positive lag raha tha andar? Yes, Apana? The feeling of joy, एक vibes अंदर से रंग सी जाती है, एक पॉजिटिविटी, खुशी सी महसूस हो रही थी. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If you feel that, same would be with the kids. And when you feel happy with something, will you not like to repeat it again and again? Why do kids go for games every time? Why do they love it? Because they feel better in that. So when you start doing this with happiness, with positivity, with that positive vibes going in your, then definitely you'll try to repeat that things again and again. And that, when you're again and again doing the same thing, you'll be master in that. So where is the word concentration? It is nothing but mastering in something and then you are able to do good. Correct? And here your right brain, left brain is also active. Other than that, your visualization, reasoning, logic, so every positive things are coming together and that adds to concentration. Got it? So that is a reason why research are going on, because see, this is a problem of every parent. My child does not concentrate. There are so many techniques of concentration. This is one which you can inculcate with your studies. Oh, no. Got it? Any question? Last but not the least, it helps in reducing silly mistakes. Now, what are silly mistakes? Multiple carryovers. They are silly. There you tend to make silly mistakes. Borrow, that you make silly mistakes. Today, just try with an example. Give your child 100 rupees note and ask them to buy something of 33 rupees. He'll not be able to find out what change they'll give him back. He'll open a calculator or he'll ask you what I'll get returned. So let me tell you, we don't have borrow system in subtraction in Vedic maths. Vedic maths does not have a system of borrow. There is no word called borrow in Vedic maths. So subtraction without borrow. It works on the very simple principle, all from 9, last from 10. And with this, you can do the calculations of any money transaction of any currency across the globe. Such helpful, such useful is this. Right. So do you think any disadvantage now? Yes, Sanjot, Aparna, Rishika, Ritu, कोई disadvantage लगता है?
No, sir.
No, sir, nahi. Just think over it.
Maybe
Rishika, I'll give
I
you
think
two.
if you don't get the formulas or something right, you can mess it up.
Sorry, I didn't
If you
understand.
don't get formulas right, then you can mess it up. Or the concept.
No, concepts are not seen. I'll give you. There are no disadvantages otherwise. But yes, the two disadvantages are the calculators placed in your home will be useless now. So you will not need calculators anymore. See, just try today's homework only. You'll start feeling a change in yourself. So even after 25, 30 years, if you start feeling a change, think of a child who's just learning. So if this subject is given to them at the right age, they will turn up to be a good mathematicians. Not if mathematician, at least they'll be able to score good, do good in life, because it's not only mathematics, it's more than that. And second, your friends, they will be jealous of you. Just if you want to see an example, ask two questions today. What is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11? You'll not get the answer from them. And second, ask the question, table of 89, how much minutes? And see, they'll not answer you. Because it's really difficult to think that way. Correct. Okay. So I believe you all are professionals. So I tell you now, I started with the word, welcome to the magic world of Vedic mathematics. Don't you think now it is magical? Why maths? Because it makes maths magical. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'll give you just three situations. You are there for an interview for a school. Does your certification is all what matters now, or anything else is required? Just your certification is the guarantee for a job? No. The certification is just an entry qualification, but your presentation skills, the way you teach, the way you train, that matters a lot. Similarly, if you are in a corporate company, an industry, there also, you might be 100% timely worker, everything is sure. But if you are not able to present your skills or present your company in the front, in the meeting, no use. So what matters these days, now we talk about that salesperson. We generally say, oh, I'm receiving a call from HDFC Bank or insurance company, they are sales. No, actually today, everyone is a salesperson. If I am teaching you today, I'm also selling my project. Got the point? Everybody is a salesperson, you or a teacher, everyone. What is that makes a difference? That is content and delivery. Now, I'll tell you the situation. What happened before Corona, the education was limited to 4 walls of the classroom. So whatever a teacher used to report regarding the student, parents used to abide to it. They used to listen to it. And some students used to get thrashed there itself in the PTM only. But now time has changed. After Corona, if a parent says, if a teacher says your child is not doing good, there is an answer back to it. Ma'am, we have seen your videos. This is where you make mistakes. And this is where the other person is better than you. You know what is going these days? Everyone The approach is very easy. If you're getting clients, customers online, you're getting business, but at the same time, you're getting global competition. So tomorrow, when you will become a web trainer, you need to work on two things. Very first thing, content. If your content is not good, nobody would be coming to you. Now, content I'll be providing. Everything we have the best content, awarded content, so no issue. But delivery part. Just think, can you sit in a class of 40 minutes of mathematics? And now you're holding for 3 hours. You need that content, you need that delivery with you. And then see people follow you back. Right. So just think over it. Content and delivery. These are the two things which will help you out. So you will have some homework. I'll just share you after the class. Then you should also have a Facebook page. You all have, I think, a Facebook profile. So if you can have a Facebook page also, because that would be your official address from where you can launch your classes. And I'll explain you in detail tomorrow what is the difference and how we will be launching. So tomorrow's session would be launching your classes, finding scares, finding cubes, and a lot more. Right. So these would be the three broad categories. Right. So homework, where to submit, all that would be shared in your WhatsApp itself. Anything now you have to ask? Any questions you have? Yes, Sanjul. Rushika,
No, sir.
Ritu.
Prakash.
See, I'll tell you one thing. Questions होने चाहिए हमेशा. So, okay, no issues. This was the first day. Write down your questions today. Tomorrow, first we'll solve your queries, solve your doubts, solve your questions, and whatever would be pending in your homework, and then we'll start today. Right? So very shortly you'll receive the homework and all, and video you'll be receiving within 2 hours. Right? So any query you have, you can write down on WhatsApp also, not an issue. So thank you very much, and
Thank you, sir.
bye.